Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Premium Family Plan step by step clearly. To activate your YouTube Premium Family Plan, start by opening the YouTube app or website. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Navigate to the YouTube Premium section. Click on the option that says try it free if you're eligible for a trial. If you're not eligible, you will see the monthly subscription price. Select Get YouTube Premium. Scroll down to the Family Plan option and select it. Review the details regarding family sharing and pricing. Click on Next to proceed. You will be prompted to set up your family group. If you haven't created a family group, follow the on-screen instructions to do so. Once your family group is set, you can start adding family members. Invite family members via their email addresses. Each invited member will receive an email to accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll be added to your family group. Return to the YouTube Premium page. Confirm your payment method and finalize your subscription. You'll receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. Now, enjoy all the benefits of YouTube Premium with your family members. That's how you activate the YouTube Premium Family Plan step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.